The Seagull. Why did you say it? Why did you say you get the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed. I'm so tired, Kostya. I wish I could rest. Rest. I'm a seagull. Doesn't matter. I'm an actress. That's not it. So he is also here. It doesn't matter to me anymore. You didn't believe in the theater. Looked at my dreams. And little by little, I stopped believing myself. And always this constant fear for the child, jealousy, dreams of love. I became trivial, commonplace. I was acting badly. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I couldn't move properly, control my voice. You cannot imagine, Kostya, what it is to act badly. And I'm a seagull. Do you remember Seagull, you short? Subject for a short story. A man comes along by chance. Because he has nothing more to do, he kills the bird. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. What I was talking about before? Stage, right? I'm not like that anymore, Kostya. Now I'm a real actress. And I act with enjoyment, with delight. I feel wonderful, wonderful. I feel drunk when I'm on stage, you know. And it's so wonderful. Ever since I'm here, I've been walking around, walking and thinking, and believing that my soul grows stronger every day. That now I know. I understand, Kostya, that in our work, it's not important, the fame, the glory I've been dreaming about, but learning how to endure. Have the faith and bear your cross. I have the faith. And it doesn't hurt so much anymore. And when I think of my calling, I'm not afraid of life.